Clean up the look of your inner fenders when using aftermarket flares with Rough Country's JK front and rear inner fender liners. These eye-catching inner fender upgrades help upgrade sensitive areas from dust, mud, and debris and can easily be installed in no time flat. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts, tools, and hardware before proceeding. Make sure your vehicle is off and in park before beginning. You can raise your vehicle for easy access, or this install may be completed on the ground using wheel chocks to prevent movement. To begin installation, place the backing plate behind the RC logo. Attach the backing plate using the supplied hardware and tighten. Place the clip nuts in the proper locations according to hole size. Place the front right inner fender RC logo on top of the middle inner fender and attach using the supplied hardware. Install the rear inner fender bracket into the rear of the front fender opening using the supplied hardware. Install the front and middle assembly into the wheel well. Attach the inner fender to the body. Connect the middle inner fender liner with the rear bracket. Position the inner fenders and tighten all hardware. Using a 5/16 drill and the inner fender as a guide, drill the hole into the body mount. Install a clip nut onto the body mount. Now attach the inner fender using the supplied hardware. Now that the front inner fender is installed, let's move to the rear of the vehicle. With the rear stock fender removed, drill out the 3 factory holes using a 1/2 inch drill. Using a pair of pliers, gently bend the area around the front hole toward the front of the Jeep. Using a grinder, remove some of the material under the rear hole. Paint this spot to avoid rust. Push on the 3 supplied threaded spring clips onto the Jeep body. Install the 6 supplied threaded clip nuts onto the center fender liner. That will be the one with the Rough Country cutout. Attach the rear liner to the center liner using the supplied hardware and tighten. Install the supplied weather stripping on the front and upper edges of the front fender liner and the upper edge of the center rear brackets. Install the 2 connected liners, rear and center, on the Jeep using the supplied hardware and tighten. Using a 1/4 inch drill, drill the rear hole in the Jeep using the fender liner as a guide. Attach the rear liner using the supplied hardware and tighten. Now attach the front liner using the supplied hardware and tighten. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of your vehicle to complete your installation. The solid steel angular design with the RC logo cutout gives an aggressive look to this now more visible area on your JK. The included removable logo plate can be custom painted to any color you wish to give you that extra pop of color. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.